Double cut adds an extra cut line around the template as a contour. By peeling off the contour first, it becomes easier to identify the template on the PPF film and prevent the cut to fade. Easier to peel off the template and to handle it. Instead of removing all the extra material, you only need to remove the extra weed. Just select your template. For example, I'm using this BMW 4 Series fender. Enable the double cut feature and choose your contour by setting the wrap distance value. Here I am using 4 millimeters. Now toggle the outward option and it's done. Let's do the same with this headlight and the hatch. Choose your template and toggle the outward again. Now your templates are ready, you can send them to cut. Now the cutting is complete and the plotter has added an extra contour cut around the template. This makes the template much easier to peel off and handle. Instead of removing all the excess material, you only need to remove the extra weed.